Students, how are you? How our classes are going on? We are very happy that all of you are taking interest in your studies. Today, I am going to start your maths. First of nowadays, all of you are getting so much time. Do you like story? I think all of you should read the story books because so much time and you should utilize your time. Today, I am going to tell you a story of one renowned personality of the world. The heading of the story is The Most Humble Person. Why? Listen it carefully. Why should be humble in our life? Now I am going to start the story. It's good to be humble and there are no limits to it. America's first president, Abraham Lincoln, was once visiting the countryside with a friend on a horse carriage. A laborer who was working in the fields saw him coming. Leaving his tools, he stood on the roadside and bowed his head in greeting. Lincoln responded by bowing before the man more than he did. The friend was surprised. He asked, "Why did you bow so much before the laborer?" Lincoln replied, "I want to be the humblest person in my country more than any other citizen." I think all of you have listened it carefully. And what are the moral values of this story? Moral values that we should be polite in our life, be humble, be polite, be positive, don't gossip, listen everything. Students, today we are going to start a new unit, that is unit 3. Already we have completed unit 1 and unit 2, that is your addition and subtraction we have completed. Now in unit 3 we are going to start the multiplication. All of you know about that, but one question is here: what is multiplication and what is to multiply? In math, to multiply means to add equal groups. You can understand it with the help of an example. Here you are saying 6 multiplied by 9 getting 54. It means what? You are adding 6 9 times, then you get 54. So in another way, you can say that multiplication is a short form of repeated addition. Here, when we multiply 6 by 9, then 6 and 9 are the factors and you get then 54. So 54 is the product. Here, another example is also given. You can see here, multiplication is a repeated addition. You can understand it with the help of this example. Unit 3. This is multiplication. I have given here one video of multiplication. Go through the video and watch it carefully. Then your concept will be clear.
Now we will learn multiplication of 3-digit numbers. We have to multiply 463 and 257. First multiply 7 with 463. Multiply by 7 gives 3241. Now multiply 463 with 5. Product is 2315. 463 when multiplied by 2 gives 926. First multiply with 8. Product is 2768. Now multiply with 5. Product is 1730. Again multiply with 5. Product is again 1730. Product of 346 and 558 multiplication is 1,93,068.
I think all of you have understood the multiplication. Now here some problems are given and you have to solve it. First one is the multiplication of two digits. Question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 is given. Question number 3, find the product. It means you have to multiply and have to obtain the product. Students, we discuss more about the multiplication. Here one example is given. 7 multiplied by 3. So we are getting the product 21. So 7 is called here multiplicand. Means the number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. 3 is the multiplier. The number by which we multiply is called the multiplier. And after multiplication we get 21. That is the product. Here the answer we get after multiplication is called the product. Now multiplication of 3-digit and 4-digit number by 3-digit number. One example is given here. You have to multiply 2135 by 327. Then what is the process? First you multiply 2135 by 7. Then you are getting some product. Then you have to, second step is you have to multiply 2135 by 2. Again you are getting the product. And the third step is 2135 will be multiplied by 3. After getting the whole product, you add the whole. Then your final answer will be obtained. Here the final answer is 6,98,145. Now our next topic is properties of multiplication. Let us find 7 into 3 and 3 into 7. You are multiplying 7 by 3. Then you are getting the product 21. Now we change the order of the number. 3 multiplied by 7. Again the same product will be obtained, that is 21. So numbers being multiplied in different order and the product will be same. This is the first property of the multiplication. Now let us multiply 3 numbers. How you will multiply the 3 numbers? The example is multiply 2, 5 and 8. First order, we can multiply these 3 numbers in 6 different ways. Your first order is 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 8. The product is 80. Second order, 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8. The product is 80. Third order, 8 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Product is 80. Fourth order, 2 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 5. The product is 80. Fifth order, 5 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 2. Product is 80. Sixth order, 8 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. The product is 80. Here the product is same. It means after changing the order of the numbers, there will be no change in the product. Second, if you want to multiply 3 numbers, then what you should do? First, you multiply 2 of them and then you will get the product. 2 multiplied by 5, the product is 10. Then you multiply it by 8. The product is 80. Now it's the time of classwork. Now all of you start your classwork. Worksheet 1, question number 1 and question number 2 is your classwork. All of you take out your maths copy and neat and clean work. You start your work. First thing, you have to write the question, then number A, B, C and write clearly. Solve your answers, solve your questions clearly and start your work. Homework is also necessary with classwork. So it's the time of homework. Here question number 3 and question number 4 is your homework. Question number 3 is find the product. No confusion. This is also multiplication. Same way you have to multiply 437 but will be multiplied by 211 and then whatever the answer will be obtained, that will be the product. And question number 4, using the digits 3, 1 and 5 only once, write the smallest and the largest number of 3 digits. Also find their product. It means what? First you will write the largest number using digits 315 and then the smallest number using the digits 315. Then we will start the multiplication and find the product. This is your homework. I think this is clear to you and all of you will do your homework very well. Okay, have a nice day.